Brianna Gutierrez, and this is my picture and ecologist project. And then I chose Charles E. Elton. So Charles Elton was born in March of 1900 in Oxford, Oxfordshire. He lived as an animal ecologist and zoologist, and even a biologist, and contributed to an ample amount of research to the science of ecology. He dedicated most of his life to his work, going on expeditions. He went on three to the Arctic. He did a lot of research, and he liked to appreciate animal and plant life. In 1967, he chose to retire, and then he later died in 1991. Charles Elton wrote, I believe it was about four books. The first one was Animal Ecology and Evolution in 1927. He then published The Ecology of Animals in 1933, and then Bulls, Mice, and Lemmings in 1942. And his final publish was in 1966 for The Pattern of Animal Communities. Charles Elton began going to college at Liverpool, but then he transferred to the new college at Oxford, and that's where he began his ecological studies. He made a really great impact at Oxford. He participated in a lot of research. He was elected the Animal Ecology Journal Reader. In Corpus Christi, they elected him Senior Research Fellow, and he graduated with honors in 1922, majoring in zoology. Throughout his educational and professional journey, he won many awards, such as the Royal Society's Darwin Medal and the Gold Medal of the Linnean Society. And the ways he contributed to ecology, biology, zoology, and animal life sciences was him establishing the Bureau of Animal Population at Oxford, which allowed for further research in terrestrial ecology. In 1954, he did the control of rats and mice, and he was also a biology consultant for the Hudson Bay Company, where he paved the way for spreading more research and studying the effects of climate change on the Britain's mouse and vole populations. And he also liked to focus on the food cycle, pyramids and numbers, food chains, and much more. One of the reasons I chose Charles Elton was because I feel like his personality was a little bit similar to mine, seeing as he was described as shy and, he kind of liked to stay to himself. I also admire animals and I really love animals, and he shared the same passion, so I really like that about him as well. And he's also very committed to his work, as you can tell by all the awards and the continuous education. He admires his profession, which inspired me to choose him, and hope that one day I can have the same admiration and determination for my profession in the future. And these are my resources I used, and that's the end of my presentation. Thank you.